Okay, as you can see here, we have an Excel table that has some bill of materials data populated from this current Creo assembly. And it was done by just running this execution scene. So we did a table create, and then we populated it with the current item content that is in the active assembly. Um, the reason I'm talking about the table create for the clear function is that it does that by default. So if we actually run this, and we rerun this table create function, it will actually clear out the table if it already exists. Now, that doesn't mean you use table create everywhere. There's obviously times you don't want that. But there are some times that you definitely need to clear data. So, for example, if I run this automation a few more times, you'll notice that the default behavior with tables is to append content. Now, you may want to do that for several reasons. However, in this particular case with the bill of materials, you probably don't want a lot of duplication occurring that is unnecessary because it's going to throw off counts and quantities and things like that. So in this particular case, you could either use the table create function again and just basically use it as a clearing mechanism. But the more proper way to do this is to actually issue a table clear. And the table clear is a worksheet function that only requires a table name for which you're running. So if we run this, you'll notice that it's going to clear out the table and then move on to the next steps, which is to write the content. So it's an important function to be aware of. You don't want to use table creates everywhere for obvious reasons. However, the table clear is very very useful for this type of operation.